Welcome to Psychacademy. Today we are going to look what is kinetic energy. So let's look what is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of mass in motion. The kinetic energy of an object is the energy it has because of its motion. If work which transfers energy is done on an object by applying a net force, the object speeds up and thereby gains kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is a property of a moving body or particle and depends not only on its motion but also on its mass. The kind of motion may be translation or motion along a path from one place to another, rotation about an axis, vibration, or any combination of motions. All moving objects have kinetic energy. For example, the Earth revolving around the Sun, electrons orbiting the nucleus of an atom, birds flying in the sky, trains moving on track, cars moving on the road have kinetic energy. If the kinetic energy does not exist, everything around us will be motionless. All objects would be unable to move. The entire universe would be cold because heat is also a form of kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of an object depends on its mass and velocity. For a given velocity, the kinetic energy of an object is directly proportional to its mass. Similarly, for a given mass, the kinetic energy of an object is directly proportional to its velocity. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity. It has only magnitude and does not have any direction. Kinetic energy is measured in joules. The concept of kinetic energy can be easily understood by a simple example that demonstrates how kinetic energy is converted into another form of energy. For example, a sports person uses chemical energy provided by food to run to a chosen speed. Here the chemical energy in the sports person has been converted into kinetic energy. But the process is not completely efficient because some amount of chemical energy is converted into heat energy. During constant motion, sports person maintain this kinetic energy. However, if he slows down and comes to rest position, then he loses the same amount of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy can also be passed from one object to another. For example, in the game of billiards, the player supplies kinetic energy to the cue ball by striking it with the cue stick. The cue ball maintains this kinetic energy unless its speed changes. If this cue ball collides with another cue ball, then it supplies kinetic energy to that ball by losing its kinetic energy. The ball with which it collided will start moving due to gaining of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy formula. The kinetic energy formula is Ke, which is kinetic energy, is equal to half mv square, where Ke is kinetic energy, m is mass, v is velocity. M is a scalar quantity and v is a vector quantity. In this expression, we see that velocity or v is square. We know that the square of a vector quantity is a scalar. Therefore, kinetic energy is a scalar quantity. Examples of kinetic energy. A semi-truck traveling down the road has more kinetic energy than a car traveling at the same speed because the truck's mass is much more than the car's. A river flowing at a certain speed comprises kinetic energy as water has certain velocity and mass. A river flowing at a certain speed comprises kinetic energy as water has certain velocity and mass. The kinetic energy of an asteroid falling towards Earth is very large. The kinetic energy of the aeroplane is more during the flight due to large mass and speedy velocity. Thank you.